Building a robot that understands human movement takes thousands of hours and millions in data. What if you could generate all that data, perfectly labeled, from a simple text prompt? Today, we code the AI that makes it possible. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Training robots on human motion is a huge bottleneck. Collecting and labeling real-world data is slow and expensive. But what if we could generate infinite synthetic data? We're using the Rerun.io Pi0 LaRobot repository, a powerful toolkit for robot visualization, and supercharging it with generative AI. We'll build a script that turns natural language into complex pose data, ready for simulation and analysis. At the core of our project is the spirit of Rerun.io Pi0 LaRobot. It's a framework for training robots using pose estimation and motion retargeting. Its key feature is the deep integration of the Rerun library, which provides incredible, interactive visualizations of 2D and 3D poses, point clouds, and camera data. This makes debugging robot interactions a breeze and is perfect for visualizing the synthetic data our AI generates. To build this, we gave Gemini Pro a vibe prompt. Create a Python script that uses AI to describe a human action, simulates the 2D pose keypoints from that description, and then visualizes it all using the Rerun library, mirroring the workflow of Pi0 LaRobot. Want the full prompt? Subscribe and check the description. First, we set up our environment. We import OS, Rerun, and the Google Generative AI library. We initialize Rerun to create a live visualization window and configure our Gemini API key, using a placeholder for security. Next, we define a function to interact with Gemini. It takes a prompt and generates a detailed text description of a human action, like a person sitting down and then waving. Now for the magic. This function simulates 2D pose keypoints from the AI's text. It's a simple model for now. It scans for keywords like waving or sitting and adjusts the keypoint coordinates accordingly. Here's where it comes to life. We use Rerun to log and visualize the pose. We plot the 2D points and even add lines to connect them, just like the advanced visualizations in the Pi0 LaRobot project. Finally, our main block executes the workflow. It defines the prompt, calls Gemini to generate the scenario, simulates the pose from that text, and sends it all to Rerun for instant visualization. Automation, and there you have it. We went from tedious manual annotation to an automated pipeline that generates infinite, diverse human pose data from simple text prompts. By combining generative AI with the visualization power of Rerun, inspired by Pi0 LaRobot, we can accelerate robotics development, slash costs, and build smarter AI agents. If you want to build this, the code is in the description. Subscribe for more. Did you vibe code smarter today?